Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Vanguard for Roth IRA conversion tracking, full guide step by step clearly. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on Open an account and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts section. Look for the Portfolio option in the drop-down menu. Select IRAs to view your individual retirement account details. Find the Roth IRA option from the list of account types. Click on the Roth IRA to access its specific information. Next, locate the Account Activity tab. Here, you will find a summary of recent transactions. To set up conversion tracking, click on Convert to Roth IRA if that option is available. Follow the on-screen instructions. Verify the details of your conversion to ensure accuracy. Confirm the conversion by clicking the Submit button. After submitting, return to the Account Activity page. Monitor your Roth IRA transactions closely for accuracy. To track your conversions easily, consider setting alerts through your account settings. Click on Alerts in the Account menu for notification options. Choose the types of alerts you wish to receive regarding Roth IRA transactions. Save your preferences and exit the Settings page. Regularly check your Roth IRA account to stay informed on conversion performance. If you have questions, refer to the Vanguard Support Center for assistance. Utilizing these steps will enable you to effectively track your Roth IRA conversions with Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.